Introducing Campus Tank, India's largest launchpad for young founders, brought to you by Apna and Venture Catalyst in collaboration with Chandigarh University. Campus Tank is designed to empower India's next generation of founders, from student innovators to early career professionals with big ideas and the courage to build. Whether you are a college student with a game-changing concept or a young professional already working on a startup, this is your opportunity to pitch, raise funding, and take your dream venture to the next level. So, why should you participate in Campus Tank? First, real funding. You can get an opportunity to raise funds from a $6 million investment pool, which is over 50 crore rupees pressed by top investors to back breakthrough startups. Second, incubation. Top performing startups will receive incubation support from Q Founder Space at Chandigarh University. Third, a national stage. You'll pitch live in front of seasoned investors, including those who have built or backed some of India's top unicorn startups during the offline demo day. Funding announcements may happen on the spot, subject to due diligence. Fourth, massive visibility. Finalists and winner will be featured across Apna's social media platforms. Fifth, winner spotlight. Stand out as a Campus Tank champion and unlock national recognition. And finally, expert guidance. Shortlisted startups will receive training through exclusive masterclasses to refine their pitch, strategy, and story. So, who can apply?
Campus Tank is open to all the founders under the age of 30 working on early stage startups in the ideation, prototype, or early traction stage.
Based on your stage, you'll choose one of three cohorts. Cohort 1 is for the idea stage. This is for individuals or teams who have an innovative idea or even an MVP. You don't need a registered startup to apply here. Cohort 2 is for student startups. This is for currently enrolled college students who are actively building a startup. College students need to own at least 33% combined equity in the business. Cohort 3 is for non-student startups. This is for early professionals running a registered startup. One or multiple founders under the age of 30 must own at least 33% combined equity to be eligible. Let's walk through the general eligibility for registered startups. If you are applying under the student or non-student startup cohorts, your startup must be registered or in the process of registering as a private limited company, LLP, or partnership firm or any other legal entity. If you are able to secure an investment, you will need to be registered or convert into a private limited company to be able to receive the funding. Also note, if you want to raise funds, your startup should have DPIIT recognition before receiving investment. You can apply for DPIIT recognition after you register, but it's recommended to start early. In addition, your startup must be less than 10 years old, should be at pre-revenue, MVP or product market fit stage, and must not have crossed rupees 100 crore in revenue in any financial year. Finally, startups in alcohol, non-vegetarian food, leather, gambling or betting are not eligible. Let's now walk through the application process. Start by visiting the official Campus Tank website. Next step, fill out the short form. It takes about 15 minutes. Upload a detailed pitch deck explaining your business, idea or product. You can also submit an optional 90-second video explaining your vision. We have also added some resources on the website to help you with your application. After submission, here's what to expect. The submissions will be evaluated and the shortlisted startups will attend a masterclass by expert mentors to polish their pitch, story, and business model. In the second round, you will pitch online to an investor panel. This is where we identify the most promising ideas for the finals. And in the final round, the top startups will pitch live at the demo day hosted at Chandigarh University, a high-stakes, high-visibility event where funding will be decided. Now, let's talk about the team behind Campus Tank, Apna. Apna is India's largest hiring platform for early talent, connecting over 6 crore job seekers with 7 lakh employers across 900 plus cities. Venture Catalyst. Venture Catalyst is India's leading early-stage investment firm, backing over 400 startups across fintech, consumer, deep tech, and various other sectors. They have backed multiple unicorns and 30+ soonicorns. Chandigarh University. Chandigarh University is one of India's premier academic institutions, fueling the entrepreneurship and innovation ecosystem for college students and aspiring founders. To sum it up, Campus Tank is your chance to build, pitch, and scale your startup with real funding, real mentorship, and real visibility.
Registrations are open now and will close on August 31st, 2025.
So what are you waiting for? Gather your team, shape your idea, and register today. Visit www.campustank.com and let the tanks roll.